وتبسم، ده النبي تبسم وتبسم.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Final exam models grade 7. Model 1. First group, choose the correct answer. Question 1. Which of the following is the additive inverse of the number 5 power negative 2? If we want to find the additive inverse for any number, we must change the sign. The correct answer will be C, negative 5 power negative 2. Question 2. What is the image of point 3 and negative 4 by rotation R 0 and 90 degree? If we want to make rotation 0 and 90 degree, there are two steps. First step, change x-axis and y-axis together. Second step, change the sign of x-axis. The correct answer will be 4 and 3. B. Question 3. Which of the following equal to the square root of 16x power 2? Step by step. The square root of 16 equals what? 4. Great. Now, the square root of x power 2. 2 is even number. For this reason, the square root of x squared equals absolute value of x. The correct answer will be 4 absolute value of x. D. Now, question 4. A plus B over C equals space. If there are times or divide, we will cancel the numerator with denominator. But in this case, there are plus. We will distribute the numerator by denominator. A plus B over C equals A over C plus B over C. The correct answer will be A. Question 5. In the experiment of rolling a pair diamonds, what is the probability of obtaining an even number? Now, the even number is 2, 4 and 6. 3 number and the total number is 6. Now, the answer will be 3 over 6. In the simplest form equals what? Equals 1 over 2. Question 6. If the length of one diagonal of a square is 6 inches, what is the area of the square? The area of a square has two rules. First rule, the area of a square equals s square, where s the length of side of the square. Second rule, the area of a square equals half d square, where d is the diagonal of a square. Now we will use rule number 2. The area of a square equals half d square. Now d equals 6 inches. The area of a square equals half 6 square equals 18. Now question 7. 5x times negative 2x power 2. If there are two brackets without minus or plus between it, that means there are small times between two brackets. Now 5 multiplied by negative 2 equals negative 10. Okay. Now x times x power 2. If we want multiply, we will make addition to the power. Now x times x power 2 equals x power 3, because we will addition 1 plus 2 equals 3. The correct answer will be negative 10 x power 3. C. Question 8. What is the image of point ordered pair 1 and 1 when we moving 4 units down, following by moving 3 units to the right? Now If we moving down, that's mean we will use y-axis. Up or down, down, that's mean we make minus. 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. Now we will cancel the answer B. Now if we moving 3 units right, that's mean we will use x-axis. Right or left? Right, that's mean positive. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. The correct answer A, ordered pair 4 and negative 3. Now, question 9. Which of the following number is written in the scientific notation? Now, the power of 10 must be belong to integer's number. Now, the answer C, 1.2 times 10 power 2.5. 2.5 don't belong to integer's number, Z. For this reason, we will cancel answer C. Now, the number multiplied by 10. If we will take absolute value of this number, that means the absolute value of number we will multiply by 10 greater than or equals 1 and smaller than what? Smaller than 10. For this reason, we will cancel answer A because 15 is bigger than 10. For the same reason, we will cancel answer D because absolute value to negative 0.1 is smaller than 1. Now the correct answer is what? Negative 3.4 times 10 power 8, because absolute value of negative 3.4 is 3.4 and the 3.4 is greater than or equals 1 and smaller than 10, and the power of 10 is 8 belong to integer's number, Z. The correct answer is B. Second group. Answer the following question. Question 1. A card is drawn randomly from identical numbered cards carrying numbers from 4 to 13. Determine the probability that the drawn card carries A, an odd number, B, an even number greater than 9. The total of all possible outcomes equals 13 minus 4 plus 1. 13 minus 4, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now, the outcomes where the odd number are the set of 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. They are 5 outcomes. Therefore, B of A equals the number of outcomes over the all of possible outcomes equals 5 over 10 equals 1 over 2. B, the total of all outcomes equals 10. Okay, but the outcomes where the even number greater than 9 are the set of 10 and 12. Okay, they are 2 outcomes. Therefore, P of B equals the outcomes over the total of possible outcomes equals 2 over 10 equals 1 over 5. Question 2. Find the solution set for the inequality 4x plus 3 greater than or equals 3x minus 2 in Z. Since 4x plus 3 greater than or equals 3x minus 2, take x with x, number with number. Cx go other side with negative, 3 go other side with negative. Therefore, 4x minus 3x greater than or equals negative 2 minus 3. Therefore, 4x minus 3x equals x. Negative 2 minus 3 equals negative 5. Therefore, x greater than or equals negative 5. Therefore, the solution set equals the set of numbers negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, and so on. It is infinity set. Question 3. Draw an angle of measure 130 degrees, then bisect it. First, draw the angle 130 degrees. Put the compass on the vertex of this angle and make arc. The arc intersection with two sides of this angle in 2 points. From first point, make arc. From second point, make arc. The two arc intersection in 1 point. From the point of intersection of two arc, match to the vertex of this angle. Now we bisect this angle 130 degrees. Question 4. Draw the triangle ABC where A equals negative 2 and 2, B equals 1 and 0, and C equals 1 and 2. Then draw its imagine by reflection in x-axis, followed by the friction in y-axis. Since A equals negative 2 and 2, now if we want make reflection in x-axis, we will change the sign of y-axis. A dash equals negative 2 and negative 2. Now, if we want make reflection in y-axis, we will change the sign of x-axis. A double dash equals 2 and negative 2. Since B equals 1 and 0, if we want make reflection in the x-axis, we will change what? Yes, of course, the sign of y-axis. B dash equals 1 and 0. Excellent. Now, if we want make reflection in y-axis, that's mean B double dash equals negative 1 and 0. Okay. Now, since C equals 1 and 2, by reflection in x-axis, C dash became 1 and negative 2. But if we want make reflection in y-axis, we will change, yes, of course, the sign of x-axis. C double dash became negative 1 and negative 2. Excellent. Now we want draw the triangle ABC and draw the triangle ABC by reflection in the x-axis became A dash, B dash, C dash, and we want to draw the triangle A dash, B dash, C dash by reflection in the y-axis became A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Now, in the perpendicular coordinate x-axis and y-axis, we want to draw the triangle ABC. First, put point A equals negative 2 and 2, then B equals 1 and 0, then C equals 1 and 2. Second, match it, this triangle ABC. Then we want to draw the triangle A dash, B dash, C dash, the reflection of triangle ABC in the x-axis. Okay, A dash, B dash, C dash, put point first. Second, match it, this triangle. Now, we want to draw the triangle A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, the reflection of triangle A dash, B dash, C dash by y-axis. Okay, put point and match it. Question 5. Write the result in scientific notation. 5 times 10 power 4, all divided by 2.5 times 10 power negative 3. Since 5 times 10 power 4 divided by 2.5 times 10 power negative 3 equals, step by step, first 5 divided by 2.5 times 10 power 4 divided by 10 power negative 3. Now 5 divided by 2.5 equals 2 times 10 power 4 divided by 10 power negative 3. This is the division of power with the same base. Now keep this base as it is, 10. Now if we want divide, we must make subtraction from the power. 4 minus negative 3 minus negative became positive. 4 plus 3 equals 7. The answer will be 2 times 10 power 7. Question 6. If the expression x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus 3x plus m is divisible by x plus 1, find the value of m. We will make long division. X power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus 3x plus m divided by x plus 1. In long division, there are 4 steps. First step, divide. Second step, multiply. Third step, minus. Fourth step, bring down. Okay. First step, divide. X power 3 divided by x equals x squared. Second step, multiply. X power 2 times x equals x power 3. And x power 2 multiplied by 1 equals x power 2. Third step, minus. Okay, x power 3 cancel each other. Now 2x power 2 minus x power 2 equals x power 2. Fourth step, bring down cx plus m. Make this step again. First step, divide. X power 2 divided by x equals x. Second step, multiply. X times x equals x power 2. And x times 1 equals x. Okay. Third step, minus. X power 2 cancel each other. 3x minus x equals 2x. Fourth step, bring down m. Now make this step again. 2x divided by x equals 2. 2 times x equals 2x. And 2 times 1 equals 2. Now make subtraction. 2x cancel each other. Now m minus 2. M minus 2 is the remainder. He said this expression divisible by x plus 1. That means the remainder must be equals 0. That means m minus 2 equals 0. 2 go other side with positive. Therefore m equals 2. Question 7. Which is the greater in area? A rhombus of diagonal length of 10 cm and 8 cm, or rectangle, its length 9 cm and its width 5 cm. Okay. The area of rhombus equals half the product of diagonal equals half times 8 times 10 equals 40 cm squared. Now, since the area of rectangle equals length times width equals 9 times 5 equals 45 cm squared. Therefore, the area of rectangle is greater than the area of rhombus. Great job.